what we say Python tutorial, because in the last tutorial what happened was that we actually could not complete our is that our audible tutorial. What happened was that before, as well as cloud storage with that, so due to a lot of time consumption. However, in today's Dropbox separately, along with this as well, initialize a class and creating many functions in a class. We had created just two, but so this is how it works. So let's quickly share. We are going to, I don't know what person getting the pencil, one pixel. Okay, everything's ready. Is that we are going to learn about, we are going to learn how to use Dropbox, download Dropbox, download this app from Microsoft Store as well. However, if you don't want a desktop, you may even go to sign in with Google, which is create a folder which I have created. Move so 2 minutes. Okay, let's go back quick. Exactly, here is that you can create your folders according to your way. So what happened is that I have created and I have created a cloud storage in it with the name cloud storage underscore. Similarly, you can also create your own cloud storage by using this thing which is called box paper template and shortcut. I can see here request files, and then after that actually what you need, the most important access token for this. Access token is not that difficult, not easy. 1 minute, friends. I don't know when I had quickly bring back that page. I just a minute. Okay, just 1 minute, friends. I'm getting the page soon. Yes, I got the page. I'm this URL. So first of all, the first thing is with Google, and here is our Proval account. So which is https colon slash slash com slash developer slash apps. So after going here, you will get an app. As I've created one app, you need to also create a access token so that whatever files you're sharing, that would be stored to this. Like there may be million of users, right? So you can't only say, okay, I want folder. Think that if two or more than two people have made the same, yes, it would be. So that is why I have set the access token and then generate. After clicking on generate, access token would be generated. So what exactly is this URL? So this URL is really very important, because without this URL, like here, you won't, or just 1 minute, it would be much more easier. But I don't think that. Yes, so this URL is really very important if you want as apps. And here in I wish, and everything would be stored here, as I've created a cloud storage with name this. So this is how one can work upon, and it's really great. Okay, so this is how you can create app. So currently I'm not going to put all the fields, but you need to choose a API. So always you need to need type of access you know, app folder or box. So if you want to create a specific folder for your app, which I needed in our cloud storage 123 underscore, and you can name your app. So this is some of the previous tries which I had given. So let's close it for now. But actually, you may either remember it, or I'm on the comment video is posted and the live stream is over. So I would be posting that with Google, and then create your own cloud storage, get that URL. So quick history apps, I think. Let's check this. Okay, so this is not the correct one. Again, choose no, developers backspace. So yes, this URL is really very important. As create a app and go to cloud storage underscore 12345, and there you will be getting lots of options with Google. And the second part is that, first of all, once you sign in with Google, what you need to do, you can visit this page, and then you need to click on an app with name of your wish, your preferences, everything, and the URI which you had used to create it, go to again the same URI, and then here you can create access token. As you can see right here, after click here, I can actually create access token here, and according to your need. Okay, so I have set it to no expiration, which is suited and mostly suitable token for your cloud storage bucket. Rate more like taken, but done it too much good handwriting. Quickly start our coding part, quickly create a class for our program, etc. Okay, no problem. In Python folder tutorials, and let's create clouds, and then show more options would be better. What should we do? Okay, nothing. We currently can't do your code. Then open folder, choose tutorials, go to cloud storage, writing it as cloud underscore storage.py. No, it's ready. So let's start first library, which I had told you how to install it. First of all, pip should be installed, and I had also told you how to do that. In that option below, there will be given an option to install pip, and then press continue so that everything would be done. And then you can download Dropbox by using pip, which I'm typing here, pip install Dropbox. So this is how that you don't know what is command prompt. So let's quickly import Dropbox for this. Let it be cloud underscore storage is keyword because our folder's name is cloud storage. Our file is it by using a keyword which is init function, and give it for we can give some of the parameters as access underscore token comma. For initializing a class, first of all, you need to, this is the first one will be a global variable created here so that any can be accessed, but just you need to take them as the parameter, and the other tokens would be taken as a parameter when you start the class. As I told you, whenever you write storage and give its parameter, I learned about classes in the last tutorial, and if you have not viewed the last tutorial, please do view it, watch it, like the video. So till that, let's quickly start our today's class. So that wherever we call self, we will also get its property which is self dot at, as you can say, self parameter. And here, let it be file function, and its parameter be self comma file comma file from comma file underscore two. Get the file from, because these two, first of all, where I should get the file, I'm going to get it from the user. The Dropbox with like dbx, it is just a short form for Dropbox, as you can see here. Dbx is equal to Dropbox dot Dropbox parameter is our access token. Once it is started, we can simply upload the files anywhere. The file which you want to upload will be the first parameter, which is file from, and where it is going to be uploaded, that would be the second parameter, which is file to. And another, we need to give a if conditions has given both the things, which is file to, right? Or else where would those files would be stored? Like file from uses the stuff which is going to select, and file to is the place or the location. So if at all, if is not, they definitely have some address kind of. So first of all, file from is not equal to, it has, it is empty, or one of them is empty. What we would be typing else, print, we need a file location and file storage. Okay, proceed. So that's done. He has not entered if he is too much intelligent. And after that, once we have uploaded, we would print your have been uploaded. We're going to do is that we would too much, so you'll be only learning how box and then show the data to, this is the size of the file you uploaded. So this would be enough. So first of all, let's like giving it as no parameters. Wow, so many spaces. Print based Dropbox cloud storage, like too, I'm going to too many spelling mistakes. Dropbox cloud storage. So, or first input, let it be access token. So, I hope I actually and would ask him the access token, enter your access token, and then we would be initializing is equal to cloud storage 80 anti-trauma. But okay, created a user, so it's that the user is created, we would be calling yes loop is added. Her person can add files repeatedly without again and again repeating the program. So while true, and here what we are going to get input is again we would be getting input as you like upload file y or no, compare with just y or just n, not with everything. So after once we empty print statement, so that it becomes more spacious, is equal to file function would run and the parameter would be taken, it is file from and file to. So file from, let it be f. So this is done. So let's first of all create variables with the user defined things, that the value as file from will be who would like to be giving the you would like to upload on Dropbox. And since we are going to get the image, ft should be present. So what we are going to call plus ft. So what would happen exactly is that a part of the our storage bucket, which storage 1 2 3 4 5. So this is great. Again, give an empty print statement just for making it spacious and everything. If y, then print for our program. So like this is my most favorite the system by entering A B C D E, print answer in I, not in an character. And then again empty print statement which will be lasting, and our program is ready. Like everything's ready, everything's fine. Actually there's no our access token as well. Our expiration, let's generate it. We definitely created a function which is main for our whole function will be called, and now it would be running. So yes, enter your database access token. Done. Enter. Would you like? Let's do some very much musty. But before that, give our program as properly as it should be. There should be a column. Testing it extensively, very load. So let's give one of them as empty and the other one as fold to proceed. So you are seeing that it is act conditions, like it's quite efficient. So let's take quickly a sum of like to upload to our, okay, which should we take? A copies option, yes, copy. And in class cloud, no, sorry, cloud storage view as paste it. So would be quickly giving yes, I would like to upload, and the file name would be line underscore chart. And where would you like to add underscore files? Enter. Okay. Trace back. Files okay. So another thing is that you can't first of all need to read the file which is file from. So learned how to read a file which is open our file which is file, like everything has its script, Python, this language, that language. Not sorry. Okay, run. Okay, enter your access token. Sorry, this is not my access token. 1 minute, friends. We need to again get our access token. Control C, controls to GitHub. Yes, sorry, intro file. So name is line underscore chart dot CSV. Enter. So it is uploading the files. Your CSV files can't be exactly read only because they have. So let's change it to 5. So that would be really very. Or let's add again, go here, again copy it, again go here, again paste it and press enter. And what the file name is too big, so let's type it quickly. Tutorial underscore image dot the folder where I would like to upload. This is give one more thing, which is first of all we read the file, and then after this also we need to give a slash that folder, not the folder itself. So access token done. Yes, I would like to upload. Okay, wonderful. It and let's run it again. And now let's give our database is too big, but I would have to talk tutorial tutorial. I hope it is correct. Tutorial underscore image enter folder with underscore images will be. I don't know why it is not getting uploaded. That here one more thing we need to add, that is file from value as well, so that like the name of the file where we also added, that we have added here quickly here. But everything this question I an underscore tutorial underscore we enter. I would like to store it in folder name im, folder of image. Let's press enter. Okay. At last, a folder of images created, and we are really very happy. So, like, it is working as we wished. The as properly as it should, very accurately with no problems. We learned it new, which is reading a file in its binary format, which is 0101. So it's saving a file and it's which part to file. Then we uploaded it by giving dbx class with some name, which is cloud storage. We defined the initialization program where we took access token as the parameter by which we started our cloud storage order class, which we how get its properties, which is self made. And then f is equal to open file from comma read rb stands for read binary, so it would open the file in read binary format. Then you would be reading the file, and then we are starting our Dropbox by giving, hope you know what is self.at, which is access token. So initialize our Dropbox, then Dropbox dot file, that one. And the file 2 refers to the location, exact precise slash at the starting. That means that the folder resides inside the storage. This is and file name. This is how it would exactly store. We had initialized our user for his access token, so that wherever user wants his files to be stored in, whichever Dropbox store you, so that he can store his files in that Dropbox folder or storage bucket. And then question why yes or no questions, and while true loop whether the user would yes, we take the file which he would like to upload as the parameter, then that we are taking as the parameter exactly the folder name, and we change the folder name in such a format as slash, and then again the file name. So this is the accurate value. So we do string concatenation by adding plus. We mean that we are adding two string values together, in fact taking as the input from the user, one more slash and the file name. So this is going to be the file 2 thing input, and the user's file would be stored. And then user dot upload file, we are calling this function which is there in this class, and we had created object with print thanks for using our program. Oh, thank you. And else we print answer as y or no, not in any other character. Quite good project. I loved it a lot. In Dropbox, how to initialize Dropbox, first of all import it, only that after that you can do it. And how to upload files to it, first of all the file should be read in binary by using this thing. As you can file 2 parts should be mentioned in this format, the slash folder name and slash file name, exactly in that format. So I hope you love today's tutorial.